Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, Lyft has just came out and saying that they are now providing guaranteed income for their drivers, which we will be discussing today. And many drivers are saying that this is not enough, but they are now, for the first time ever, providing guaranteed payments. So we're going to discuss that. Before I do, I wanted to tell you all, if you are looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible way to do so right here on YouTube. It's by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is a way that I've personally been making money for over 5 years now. And I've actually been making, my friends, over $10,000 per month. As you can see here, I'm just going to go into my YouTube dashboard. And just for the past year alone, I've brought in over $130,000 just on one of my YouTube channels. Or if you go to last year, the total year, over $120,000. And this year so far, it's only May, and I've already brought in over $57,000. So if you want to learn how to do it, you can click the link below. And once you sign up for a 30-day free trial, go to log in and then go to my programs, and you'll see all the material there on how to create your own faceless channel. I walk you through it, and we have a private group chat where I'm gonna be helping you and guiding you and helping you get monetized and make money on YouTube as well. Again, this is something that changed my life. I've been doing this for over 5 years, so it's pretty incredible. So check that link out below. That 30-day free trial will be closing very soon now that we have a few people getting signed up. All right, Lyft has promised its drivers will receive at least 70% of the money their clients pay to ride with them. Part of the rideshare company's efforts to boost pay transparency amid long-running criticisms about its driver compensation. The rideshare company is pledging to pay its lower-earning drivers the difference between their take-home pay, after insurance and taxes, and 70% of their clients' fares each week, Lyft said Tuesday in a statement. Lyft and other gig economy companies have faced years of battles over their compensation practices and their treatment of workers, who are generally considered contractors. According to the Washington Center for Equitable Growth, independent contractors typically don't qualify for employer-provided dental and health insurance and are paid less than full-time employees. Rideshare drivers have also complained about low pay and unsafe work conditions, among other issues. On Tuesday, Lyft said its drivers on average earn about 88% of rider payments and after taxes and other fees. But it noted that about 15 in 100 drivers earn less than 70% of their riders' payments after fees on a weekly basis last year. So Lyft is now, again, providing 70% of that fare, which is very interesting because a lot of drivers, are saying that 70% is still not enough. It should be at least minimum 80%, 90%. Why not 100%? Why don't Lyft and Uber change their business model to actually compensate drivers the full amount? Why should drivers only get 70%? And what's crazy is that Lyft is actually recognizing that a lot of drivers for this whole time have been making less than 70% of the ride, which is kind of crazy for them to even admit this, that look, there are drivers out there making less than 70%, meaning they're taking on every ride on average over 30%. That is horrible. The company will also offer an extra $100 for drivers who complete 50 rides with an electric vehicle within a week between February 12 and July 1st. Wow, so if you go out and buy a $40,000 electric car, they're gonna give you $100 for completing 50 rides. They're gonna give you a $2 bonus for 50 rides. That's horrible. It's just really messed up. Another company that's offering guaranteed pay, in my opinion, is a lot better, is Solo, Work Solo. We have a link below. When you sign up, you'll get $10. And in my opinion, that's actually better than what Lyft is doing, because Solo, they don't do it percentage, they actually do an hourly basis. So If you go out and work and the guaranteed rate is $27 per hour, but you only make 18, Solo will pay you the $9 difference for that hour, and that could add up a lot. And again, when you sign up with Our Link, they're gonna give you 10 bucks, and they also do mileage tracking. They help you file your taxes. Solo, again, that guaranteed pay. They also help you manage your business in terms of like showing you all the finances and everything. So Solo is actually really, really good for when we're talking about guaranteed pay and just having a assistant app. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts with this. In my opinion, I just think it's absolute BS. And yeah, again, if you're looking for a new way to make money, I think the #1 side hustle right now is that Faceless YouTube channel. I think anybody can get started with it. I think it's an incredible opportunity. Again, I've been making, as you can see here, so far this year, over $10,000. And if you just click last year, I've made over $10,000 last year as well, over 120K. And you know, it's just absolutely amazing, the power of YouTube. You know, people watch videos on YouTube. This is the last 365 days. People watch YouTube all day long, and if you can make a channel with videos that get views, you don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, you do not need experience. I taught one of my friends how to do YouTube, and she started making over $40,000 per month. She sent me a screenshot of her earnings on her channel that she made, and this, she actually shared with me, hey Dylan, actually this was just the first year and a half on my channel. She made over $300,000. We were just talking, and you know, she never showed her face once, and she had never done YouTube at all. I kept telling her, hey, try it out, try it out. So yeah, I've already taught several friends how to do YouTube. 3 of them became very successful, and the other ones just didn't really put in the work. And so you have to put in the work with YouTube, but they have tremendous payoffs. So check that link out below. Again, take advantage of that 30-day free trial. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon. Bye now.